Hey Luger friends, this is a meadow, a very wet meadow, and in this corner you will see the reason I bought the Luger, more or less. Welcome in the Luger waxing studio. I got a box of grave candles, very common here and a cheap way to get wax. This we melt after we put it out on the plastic, and if it is melted we fill it up in the tin stuff here, and yeah, let's see. As you can see, I produced two versions. The one version is pure wax and the other version is sand 50-50 wax for a bit more stopping power. You see, it's very simple, filled with liquid wax, and mix it. Wait a bit, and then we fill it up with wax and a bit of sand. So it's ready. Now we have two boxes with sand and two with wax only. Now we have to wait and clean up the mess before my wife is getting back. Next day, after a very cold night, the wax is ready. Here it's hard, and here is the sand version. It's a bit stronger. Now we take the tape, so together, and then next step. So here our two special tin can targets together with 24 centimeters long. The first section with the wax only, a metal shield, and the second version with the sand wax mix. So let's try it. Welcome at my desk, and I would like to explain what we will do in the next shooting test. We put together two tin cans, the one with wax, the one with wax and sand, and I would like to compare the two different main versions. The full metal jacket, and in this case the critical defense. It's an expanding bullet for the stopping power in animals, and that's the reason I would like to use this pistol. So we go outside and then we shoot the full metal jacket in the first version down perhaps to here, and the other to here, and then we will see what the bullet looks like. And if you want, I can tell a few good night stories in the next videos. I got a little bit books, and yes, it's a lot to see, a lot to say. There's this reprint and other reprint, very interesting. But first, I think we go in the wood.